What's up, family? Today I'm doing a fish fry, but last night, man, leave the alcohol alone. I don't go too hard because I went hard. Look at my eyes. Yeah, I still feel the alcohol from last night because I turned up. But today I'm doing a fish fry, and my father-in-law Michael, he bought me this dual basket fryer probably like 2 or 3 years ago. So I'm finally bringing it out, and I'm gonna fry some fish in here. I'm frying a lot of fish, some bassa fish. So it's going down feeding the neighborhood. Whoever pull up wants some fish, hey, come and get some fish. But anyway, this is the dual basket fryer. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in it in a minute. Here's my Louisiana sauce, 50 pounds, fish fry seasoning, just like that. I got a lot of fish. I got 45 pounds of fish. So this is that's one bag right there. I got 2 more downstairs. So let me go downstairs and show y'all these boxes. There's a lot of fish. Had to take these baskets out, couldn't get nothing to fit in there. So yeah, that's the boxes right there. It's the same stuff. If you stay in Kansas City, you eat from Fish City, Jay's Chicken and all that type of stuff. That's the same fish, the bassa right there that they get. So I'm about to get there. I'm about to get started. So, oh yeah, I hear the grease, the big thing of grease, because it's gonna be a lot of 16 pounds, I believe that thing is. Nah, 35 pounds. It's 35 pounds of oil. The same oil that the hood spots be having. So I'm gonna get back at y'all, and oh, hold up, yeah, that thing right there goes with the propane tank. And my father-in-law Michael, I got him to buy me a propane tank yesterday. That's mine right here. I'm happy about that. So it's going down today. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm about to show y'all everything that's up in this dual basket fryer, 18Qt. I guess that's how much oil it can hold. But I guess we got both of these things right here where you can put the 2 different foods in. Fish, fries. Back to the side. Yeah, this is the nice big pan where you put these in here. But since I'm just frying fish today, I'm gonna just put the oil in here. I'm not even gonna use this because I got a lot of fish to fry. So got this nice big pan. It's going down. All right. Put this on the carpet because I don't want to scratch my hardwood floor. But yeah, here this thing is right here that hooks up to the propane. Boxes in here. Box. Hold on. We got some stuff connected. Alright, y'all. We got these 2 handles right here with the screws. I ain't gonna put it together on here for y'all. I'm just showing y'all everything that it comes with, and then y'all gonna see it all together. But pretty sure it goes like, yeah, something like this. Yeah. So you can just pick your food up out of there. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them on. Y'all ain't gonna see that. Of course, it's 2 of them because it's 2 pans. That's what it comes with. Got this. Some stuff up here. Just check this out, y'all. It's my first time using this thing. Propane. And everything. I got my hazmat endorsement, so when it comes to propane and all that type of stuff, I should be good, right? Another little something. What's this? We got this thing wrapped up real good. I'm gonna get it out. Shut up, Nipsey. That's why y'all gotta keep a hand there, the knife or something, man. I forgot. Alright, I'm back. It's gonna be a hot one today. Hot outside. Hey, and I'm loving it. I love the heat. But you hate when people be complaining in the wintertime, talking about it's cold. I can't wait till summertime get here. And soon summertime get here, they want to start crying, talking about it's too hot outside. Where all this heat come from? I'm like, man, you people just retarded. Retarded as hell. I love the heat. I love the sun. I don't know how this thing got. I know this is the flames right here. I don't know how that works. Let me show y'all what else is in here. Of course, we got some instructions and stuff, man, and some stop. Please God, do turn this light on. Replace it. Oh, you said something about a thermometer. I don't see it. I'm definitely gonna need a thermometer. Right here, the piece that hooked up into the propane tank right here, y'all. Alright, and if y'all don't care about this thing right here, I'm doing a review on me. I want to get straight to the fish fry. You know, y'all can always be willing to fast forward. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. It's whatever y'all want to do. You know what I mean? So, I know this goes to the propane tank. Right here, and I got to figure out. Yeah, I think this right here hooks up into right there. Let me find a thermometer, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is the thermostat it came with. I remember I did open it up one time, and I took this out and used it, but because I most definitely need it because I'm cooking the fish between 350, the temperature of the grease is going to be 350 to 375. So, with that said, I'll be back with y'all when I have all this together. Alright, y'all, like I said, man, it's going to be a hot one out here. I went over, got the tent set up. You know, to my homie Gary House, Robin for his tent, he be over. I need him to help me with this, all this cooking of this fish. But yeah, here's the setup right here with the dual fryer. I don't got the propane tank hooked up yet because that's the setup, you know. I ain't using these today, like I said. I just put them in here so I can see how it looks, you know. So you just pick it up, bring it down, let your stuff let it drain, and damn, that's it. Got your thermometer. So that's the setup. So I'll be back at y'all when it's going down. Like I said, y'all, it's just a lot of fish. Look at that. It's going down today. 15-pound bag. do two of them. I'll do the third one that's needed. Depends how hungry people get today. Big. So I got this one right here thrown out. Got the other one right there. And now, yeah, I forgot to say, the fish fry is for my sister. She came back from the National Guard, so she wanted some fish and spaghetti. So this is what the whole fish fry is for, but you know, we still just gonna do it big and feed the block, you know, so just wanted to put that in there, let y'all know that. Alright, y'all. Got the Louisiana sauce right here. I got this bad boy heating up right now. It's on. Check that temperature. Let that temperature go up slowly. I got it on low right now. I got it on low, so I'm gonna let it slowly get up to that 350, 375. So everything's up and popping. So next time y'all be seeing me, it's gonna be getting down, and it's blazing hot out here. So I'm gonna be, and I'm over hot oil. So it is what it is. It's still going up. Temperature. Still turn it down.
Anything done?
Not today.
Okay.
No, you know, if you just want to do it, if you just say the word, bro, you know I'm getting you. You dig? All right, y'all. This is our first batch of fish. It's about to go down once we get this temperature. We get this temperature to stay around like 350. We don't want it to go more, no past than 375.
Yeah, and then even then, you know, you can eyeball it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gotta be perfect.
Pink. Pink for the bitches. Yeah, it's at that 350.
Yeah, it's good. It's ready to go. It's ready to go.
So everything done?
Not today. Right now I'm doing a little fish fry. So if you get hungry later, come back. Okay. Alright.
It sounds like you said about a great Jeep. Now you talking Locksmith.
It's great Jeep. That great car?
Yeah, great car. Or the drive the Jeep, the door in the next. It's two made.
Was he drunk?
Yeah, that night they party.
Yep, that's how it happens.
Yeah, it's hard right there. That's perfect. Because you know it's gonna drop down soon.
Yep. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Yeah. Yeah, tell my best friend to help. He's just gonna look.
I was just coming to learn something.
right, we've been out here 2 hours frying fish. And we are on our last 3 boxes, 45 pounds of fish done, and it's looking good as hell. Hey, I swear we feel like some pros out here, huh?
trying to get to that level. See the work you can put in. Came from the gym or something.
Alright, so we're gonna be having them plates in a minute, family. So yeah, be looking out for that. I'm gonna go in there and show y'all all the fish that we fry here as soon as we get finished with this last batch, so stay tuned. Stick around.
Wait for orders. Yeah, it was great. I loved it. Yeah, now I'm fat. I'm gonna get fat coming back.
That fish fry stuff. Pull that fish out. Show them how much fish that is. Look at that. Now pull that top one out. Yeah, we got fish for days, y'all. Fish for days. What's that? What's she say? Jay's chicken and fish? Nah, heck nah. You better come to Durrell's fish and chicken. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at them nice fat strips. Alright, what's up, y'all? Today, the next day. Yep. Out of 45 pounds of fish, you know, this is all we got left. Let me show you guys. That's all we got left. We about to tear that up. I'm gonna tear that up. Somebody gonna tear that up. But yeah, you know, yesterday was a success. You know, my sister, you know, all her friends came over, family came over, you know, to celebrate her homecoming, and it felt real good feeding the block, you know what I'm saying, feeding all my neighbors, you know, seeing the smiles on their face when I took them out on fat plates over there, and yeah, that felt real good. And I'm gonna be doing this again. I don't know what I'm gonna fry or what I'm gonna cook, but it was a success. I enjoyed myself, and I want to say thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yeah, so I holla. Be looking forward to the next video. Make sure you support the channel. It's only gonna get better and better, baby. Better and better. But holla, Average Joe, checking out.